Hello guys, today I'm showing you the display OBS virtual camera. So first open OBS and head over to scenes and click on the plus button. I click on add scene, for example scene 2, click on OK. For the sources you can click on the plus button and add display captions, for example. Say click on display caption, click on OK. Select your Windows 10, select the display, and this is the camera, click on OK. Now head over and click on start virtual camera on the right side bar. And this, for example, you want to display capture on Discord, so open Discord and go over to settings and locate audio on video tab. Here is this recent video. Just over to the bottom shows for the integrated camera, shows OBS virtual camera. Note you should be able to go edit your virtual camera to OBS to Discord here. This is pretty much it guys. If you found this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a